Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at our 5 best-selling dive torches. So I'm not entirely sure how this algorithm works, but it spat out these torches, and these are our 5 best sellers. Let's take a closer look. Rocking in at number 5, we have the Light & Motion Sola 1200. So this is a factory sealed dive torch. That means that you don't have to unscrew it to change any batteries. You recharge it through these 2 little ports in the back, which makes it a lot safer, so that way you're less likely to flood your torch by compromising that seal. Everything's factory sealed inside of it. 1200 lumens is plenty, and as you can see, it comes with this handy Goodman handle as standard, so that way you can mount it onto your hand. You can still use your hand, and then you can still sort of point your torch. So it's very practical. You've got a choice between a spotlight and a wide flood beam. It's kind of the best of everything. You have full control over the little flick switch at the top. It's a cracking dive torch. In at number 4, we have the Mara's EOS 20RZ. Now, obviously, I'm not holding it because it's that popular. We've sold our very last one. There are going to be more coming, but it is a very popular dive torch, so if it's on the website, snap it up quick. So the main benefit of this is that it has 2300 lumens, so it's a very, very bright torch, and it's very customizable. So if you turn the head, it will change between a spotlight beam, so you can focus on one thing in particular, turn it, and then it can turn into a floodlight. So depending on what you need it for, it will either illuminate the entire scene or one thing in particular, and I tend to prefer spotlights because it's easier to communicate with people, and I just find floodlights just end up blinding everyone. In at number 3, we have a Diddy torch. This is the Orca Torch D 560. So this is very much a backup torch, but it can pack a bit of a punch. So if you use a 14500 rechargeable, so the lithium ion battery, this can spit out 630 lumens of bright white light, which is quite good considering its size, or you can just fit it with a traditional AA battery that does dial down the lumens to anywhere around sort of 180, making it a dimmer torch, but it's very easy to find AA batteries and just swap them out. So very small, nice and lightweight, it'll stow away in any pocket. This is the Orca Torch D 560. And coming in at number 2, we have our very own torch. This is the Simply Scuba Mark 1 dive torch. So this is a factory sealed dive torch, which basically means that you don't have to worry about any O-rings. You have a magnetic recharge, so you just plug it into a USB port and the magnetic cable attaches onto it. This will kick out up to 1000 lumens of bright white light, and then you can dial it down. This kind of has sort of everything that you want in a dive torch. It's nice and compact, but it does pack quite a punch, and because it's factory sealed, you never have to worry about it sort of flooding ever. And coming in at number 1, we have the Orca Torch D 520. So this is actually the bigger brother of the D 560. This will kick out about 1000 lumens if you fit it with an 18650 rechargeable battery. Now, the main reason I think that this is coming out at number 1 is the price. It's relatively cheap compared to a lot of the other competitors, and considering it still spits out 1000 lumens means that you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So fairly compact, decent size, but 1000 lumens, that's really in the sort of primary torch sort of area for me. Anodized aluminium body. The only downside for me is that you have to unscrew it to fit the battery. Okay, so there were 5 of our best-selling torches right now. Of course, they're available on our website, simplyscuba.com, but of course, let us know what your favorite is and why, and of course, what dive torch you use, and try and sell it to some other people in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.